Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Cardano, ADA, from Coinbase to Robinhood in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step process will make things easy and stress-free. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Robinhood, and that you have some Cardano in your Coinbase wallet. Also, double-check that you're using the latest app versions to avoid any compatibility issues. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Once you're in, navigate to your Cardano wallet. You'll see your ADA balance there. Now, click on the Send or Withdraw button to initiate the transfer. Before you proceed, you'll need the Robinhood wallet address. So, hop over to your Robinhood app or website. Step 2. In Robinhood, go to your Cardano wallet section. You'll find a Deposit or Receive option. Copy the wallet address provided. It's a long string of letters and numbers, so be careful to get it right. Pro tip: always verify the address to prevent sending your crypto to the wrong place, which could mean losing it forever. Back to Coinbase now. Step 3. Paste the Robinhood wallet address into the To field in Coinbase. Enter the amount of ADA you want to send, and don't forget to check the network fees. Cardano transactions typically use the Cardano network, so select that if prompted. Review everything one last time, then hit Confirm to send the transaction. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Robinhood account to confirm the ADA has arrived. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, reach out to customer support on either platform. And there you have it. Your Cardano is now safely transferred. Remember, crypto transfers involve risks, so always stay vigilant. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.